Hi, my name's Aditya. I'm going to be taking you through the SET application procedure. The SET is a symbiosis entrance test, and if you've passed your 12th standard from India, then you have to sit for this in order to be eligible to apply to any symbiosis institute. So we're on the apply page of the SSLA website. Just find the link where my mouse is. Register for SET is what it says, and then click that. That takes me to the SET homepage, the SET website. Now on the left sidebar there's an online registration button. Please click that button. Alright, please go through all the instructions that are here in the middle of your page. There are the registration instructions, then there's the payment instructions, and admit card instructions. Now they're all important, but payment instructions especially, because when you actually make the payment, this page won't be available to you. So it would even be great if you copy pasted this information on a Word or text document and kept it on your desktop. So when you get to that section of the form, you have all the information you need. Alright, so once you're done reading all of this stuff, just go to the left sidebar again and click on New User Registration. I'm taken to a terms and conditions page. So once you finish reading all of these things in detail, just click on the I agree button. Okay, so this is your SET form. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill out the information. All the fields marked with a red asterisk, of course, are mandatory. Alright, so this is your 12th standard information. Now here you've got to tell them whether you have passed or you've appeared for it. So you've either got your results or not. Select the stream that you chose, that's Science, Arts or Commerce, and the board or institute name. So I'm going to say HSC, and I'm also just going to write the institute name there. Let's say it was Ferguson College. Alright, percentage of marks obtained, let's say 75. Division class, let's say A, year of passing 2009. Alright, so here's where you choose which SET exam you want to appear for. For SSLA, you have to go to afternoon session and click general. So it's the general SET exam. Right? You also have to go to morning session and click none. If you're applying to more than just SSLA, then maybe you'd have to consider applying for one of these. But that depends on the individual. Alright, so the institutes you intend to apply to, so I'm just going to click SSLA and leave it at that. Then I'm going to go ahead and upload a photograph of mine. Alright, I'm going to say Pune is my test city. You can of course choose which city you want to take the SET in from the drop down menu. Family details are not mandatory, so I'm going to go ahead and skip those, but it's best if you give that information as well. Right, so that's just a clarification text box that opens up. You click OK. Here's where they ask you to set your password. So I'm going to go ahead and set my password. And a couple of questions, hint questions in case you forget that password. Alright, so I've got my set ID now, which is right here. Plus, you also would have received an email from set uh, giving you that information, your login ID and password. Now, there are three ways in which you can make the 1500 rupee payment for the set exam. One is cash, the second is through credit card, and the third is by getting a demand draft made. If you remember, the payment instructions right at the beginning were on the first login page itself. Now the first option is cash. So if I want to pay by cash, I take a printout of this pay in slip using the print button on the top right corner. And then go to Axis Bank, make the 1500 rupee payment, and then send this middle pay in slip copy to the address that's given there. Next, I'm going to go through demand draft. Once you've made the demand draft based on the information that was given to you in the payment instructions page, fill all that demand draft information out here, the DD date, the number, the bank drawn on, and then click submit. I of course haven't entered any info, so it's going to throw up an error. And the third way to pay the money is credit card. Now with the credit card, you can combine your set fee payment and your SSLA payment. So you click SSLA and it shows you the total amount. That's 1000 rupees for SSLA application and 1500 rupees for the set fee application. And then you click here to finalize the amount to be paid. So I'm going to click. Right, then you can say click here to pay through credit card. I'm going to click there. And that's just going to take you through the payment process through the payment gateway. Now I'm actually not going to go through the entire payment, but you then have to choose whether it's a Visa or MasterCard, and then just follow the instructions that the payment gateway throws at you. Right, so that's it for the set registration. All the best for your application. If you want to get in touch with us at SSLA regarding any application details, just email us at admissions@ssla.edu.in. Our email address is on the apply page as well. Alright, right at the bottom, it's admissions@ssla.edu.in.